Hi everyone, I'm going to be teaching you how to make rice ball, or as they call it in Japan, onigiri. This may not be the traditional realist Japanese way, but it is more easier and more suited for the Aussie life. This video is also two parts, where first part where you cook how to cook the rice, and the second part is how to make the rice ball. Alright, once I finish that, let's go. Welcome to part 1, cooking the rice. Alright, when picking white rice, you want to get the right rice. Or the wrong rice can really make the rice ball taste different, and you really don't want that. So what I've got here is Australian short grain rice, as it's or you could use sushi rice. Those options are really recommended, as these are stickier and softer. Step 1, measuring out the rice. Get the steel bowl from your rice cooker. Get your rice. My family of 4 usually uses 2 cups, but per person it's about half a cup. Alright, now you want to scoop up that rice. Step 2, washing the rice. Alright, so what you want to do is rinse the rice. Step 3, measuring your water. It's important, as you don't want to overfill or underfill. What you want to do, imagine this is the rice right here. You don't want to dig into the rice, that would be wrong. So you want to just tippity top on the top, and then you see that line, the water should measure up to that line. Step 4, drying the bowl and cooking the rice. Close it and welcome back everyone. My rice is now ready, and this is now part 2, how to make the rice ball. After your rice is ready, you need to think about what you want to put inside your fillings. My mom usually likes to add scrambled eggs, spam, corns, or even peas. Canned tuna is a common choice. Here we have the ingredients for the filling in my rice ball. Step 1, you get a big large square of cling wrap. I already done that. Step 2, scoop the rice onto the wrap and flatten it into a large circle. Alright, I'm going to use some magic powers. Oh, yeah! Magic! Alright, let's go back to business. Anyway, I usually recommend to dab some water. Just dab it around your rice, as it will make it less stickier and way nicer. As you can see, it looks way better than that last job. Time for filling. I'm going to go shredded pork here. Now we add some bamboo shoot. Step 4. This is probably the hardest, but what you want to do is just Here is the finished product. As you can see, once you finish molding, it should look like this, but first timers, it won't look perfect. So, if you want, you can add seaweed on top, and boom! Easy meal and great for lunchbox.